Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am Jessica Myros and today I'm bringing you our Easter day that brought us great, good stuff for the kids, including some smartwatches that I am so excited to share with you. So stay tuned for more. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and let's go ahead and get started. Alright, this is how we started our day. For some reason, you guys, I'm not sure why, but my kids always want me to be present when Santa comes, when the Easter Bunny comes, when everything is going on, and they want me to record them. And I think this is really sweet because I love being able to see their reactions, but at the same time, these are memories that I can keep forever, and I figure I will share them with you guys to inspire you and just to share more about what goes on in our lives and on this special Easter day. They had a basket full of amazing good stuff, especially for this coming summer time, but also these awesome smartwatches, you guys. These are absolutely amazing. Thank you, Easter Bunny, and thank you for this brand. EIOTCLUB is a brand of these amazing smartwatches. I am mind blown with the technology and the crisp quality of the calls, or also the video. I'm able to text and video call my kids whenever I need to. It also offers parental control and school mode. It is waterproof. It offers healthy habits with fun tools and games for the kids. It also has a GPS tracking, which is really good for kids that perhaps take the bus to school, or they are away for the day, or anything like that. You have a real good tool to be able to keep track. It has 0 to no contract. It works with Wi-Fi calling or cellular data that you can renew and pay for as you go. But it's really, really great quality, you guys. I have been loving it. The kids have a sense of responsibility, but also a sense of independence, and it makes it really fun, accessible. I will have my son talking about it and giving his very own thoughts once he has been playing with it and handling it on his own time, and all the cool things that he has discovered on this watch. It is definitely a fun, great tool for giving the kids a little independence, but at the same time a peace of mind for us parents. So stay tuned for his review, his thoughts, and also don't forget to check out the description below so you can learn more about this watch. And this is the app that you need to install. As you can see on the screen, it shares right here many things that you can control as the parent directly on the app, and you just pair the watches, you have the GPS tracking, and you're good to go. So tell me, do you like your new watch?
Yeah.
What does it do? What you have figured out on your own?
I figured out that there's like these tasks that you can do. You can do any of these.
Tell me some of them.
Like this one's read for 10 minutes.
And that one is what?
Hold on. Wash hands before and after. And the last one I want to say is clean the trash.
Oh, that's pretty good. And what happens when you do them?
You can earn that thingy.
You collect different...
Yeah, and there's this game that you need to collect those for certain things. I don't know. So.
You found... The watches are very cool. I love how it's easy to handle. They're very sensitive screens. If you swipe to the side, you have all the functions showing on the screen. You have the phone, the message, Ask Maggie, alarms, the camera, Super Pet Go, which is a game, activities, and to-do list, mood track, Magic Cam, like little filters, I'm assuming albums to see the pictures,
puzzle games, stopwatch, which is pretty handy with, like, you know, if you're like at appointment or something and you have your kids with you, recorder, calendar, calculator, settings. So it has a very wide variety of like quick and easy entertainment for the kids. I'm just gonna do an example right here to see how it works to call each other. Oh, let's do the video call. There they go. It might echo because we're so close. I'm gonna mute it. There he goes. But you can see the camera is pretty legit. Oh, I guess I should do to see how clear it is. Hello. Hello. And you get to see the little, you can see yourself, you can see the other person. And yeah, the quality, it's amazing. So definitely a good investment for the kids. A game on the watch as well?
Well, I found it first.
Okay. And what does it do and how does it work? Tell me.
So let's see. So like, there's like a dog, Super Petco. That's the name of the game. So there's like this dog. Give it a second. A dog, and you can do different things. Watch it. Oh man. Why do you keep doing that? It happens. I'm sorry. You just happen. Okay, thanks for telling me. Let's go. And there's like these things. The dog, which I don't have enough. It didn't go all the way around yet, so I can't do.
So how do you get those, or?
So like you can press this and start, but it won't let you unless you have what you need to do.
And what is it?
What do you? Oh yeah. So the way to collect those is like, you gotta do tasks like this thing. You gotta press it.
So the more tasks you complete,
the more gems you get.
and then you get to play more of that game. So it's a cool cycle.
Yeah.
Cool. Let me see it. Let me see it. What is that, Foxy? With the pink ears.
That took me this long to get our Easter celebration day out vlog. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video, found it fun and light and inspiring. I hope that you guys also had an amazing Easter. Let me know in the comments down below if you thought that the Easter celebration 2026 came too fast, too soon, and we needed more to enjoy for Easter. But I hope that you guys have a wonderful day. Be sure to check out the description below for information about EIOTCLUB. The smartwatch, definitely recommend for you and your family. It is worthwhile. I promise you, you will love it. And your kids will too. Thank you guys for watching today's video, and don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you again soon. Goodbye.